All right, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is, of course, your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet another. As you guys can see, we are back and we got a few different things that we need to talk about. Now we got 3 new sneaker pickups, uno, dos, tres, and down here we got some Travis Scott, Cactus, Jack, Jordan stuff that I tossed in the Astroworld box. Now what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and start off up top, because I did get a little bit of a care package from the homies over at Privé, as well as the homie Jonathan actually sent me this, and this was actually a Christmas gift, and then what is inside of this box is another knife. So whenever this, well, how did I lost a knife already.
One eternity later.
Okay, found it. So whenever this one decides to fall apart, then I got another one. Or if I just want to switch them out. So I actually might use this guy for this unboxing. But anyways, he did send me that, so shouts out to him. Jonathan's also the cameraman for Sample Industry, so he helps us out. So salutes to that man as always, and I appreciate him. Now let's go ahead and get into this first bag. Now like I said, this is just a small quick care package from the dudes over at Privé. You guys know their link is always down below, and they always show love over there, so I gotta show the love back. And inside of here, some of y'all may recognize this hoodie because I actually did have the white version of it, if I can tear all this stuff off of it. And this right here is actually a Chinatown Market hoodie, and this is the Yeezy alumni joint. You guys know I did a clothing haul probably a few months ago, and this is the hoodie, as you guys can see. Now this one is black. I did have the white version of hoodie. Yeezy alumni, Heron Preston, Don C, Virgil, people that are still in Kanye circle. And yeah, it's an all over black hoodie. Again, this one is from Chinatown Market. I would say go ahead and go true to size, and if I can find that B-roll of me having this one on from the clothing haul, we'll include that. But again, shouts out to the homies over at Privé. If you guys want one of these, a link will be down below if you want to go cop. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next thing in the stack. Now we have 2 pairs of SBs right here. Now I do have to say, shouts out to the homie 420 Threads VA. He actually was able to hook me up with both of these pairs right here, so let me go ahead and see. First up, we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike, and this one retailed for $100. Now of course we haven't moved forward into the purple SB boxes. We still have the split Tiffany Nike SB box, and on the inside of here, if you guys watched my worst sneakers of 2019 list, you guys would have seen kind of a preview of this shoe, which is the Ray Guns. Now this right here is the mostly black colorway. Matter of fact, let me check, when did the Ray Guns actually drop? So back on February 1st of 2005 is when the original Nike SB Ray Gun dropped, and you know, way back then I definitely did not have the money for these, and plus at what, like 11 years old, I had no idea the shoe even had dropped. But fast forward a few years later, when I was kind of more so introduced to Nike SB through my cousin, and I had learned about the Ray Guns. I always liked the Ray Guns, but obviously I could never afford the shoe. So with them bringing the shoe back, I mean, it's not exactly just like the original, and I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, the reason that this one is tie-dye instead of like the OG is it actually is a salute to Sandy Bodecker, who has passed away, who was the founder of Nike SB, and that's why there is tie-dye on this joint instead of having that OG pattern. For me, it doesn't really bother me. Would I have loved to have the OGs? Yes, but I'm just happy to have a pair of Ray Guns, period. I will say one thing about this shoe is that the quality of leather on these joints is crazy. The black leather is super nice. The tie-dye leather is super nice. Of course, you got Ray Gun embroidered back there in the heel, and this was just kind of like a long time coming delayed W coming from Nike SB. You also get the black Nike SB laces on the inside of these, all white bottom. So yes, I was able to secure these, the all black and tie-dye pair of Nike SB Ray Guns, even saying Ray Gun right there on the puffy Nike SB tongue. So blam, there's one Nike SB pickup. Now I'm gonna cheat a little bit, and we're gonna get to the second SB pickup, but let me go ahead and get into this bottom box right here. Now inside of this box is something a little bit different than what I would usually be copping, but I seen them on KITH. Now they had the KITH filter on them, so let's go ahead and see what they actually look like, because that KITH filter can be very, very dangerous. So let's go ahead, pop this box open if I can cut through it, get on the inside, go ahead and take out my receipt real quick. And as you guys can see, this is a New Balance sneaker. You can see New Balance made on the front, size 12, and like I said, I did cop this pair off of KITH, and the KITH shipping, there's a rubber band on the inside probably holding the box, but the KITH shipping, I gotta say, was fast. Like, I bought the shoes and I got them within 2 to 3 days, so salutes to KITH for the fast shipping. All over gray, New Balance made, and if we take off the top on this joint, matter of fact, it's says something on the inside. With over 75 years of authentic American craftsmanship, New Balance Made is designed without compromise. This pair represents our unwavering commitment to those who walk their own path. So that is New Balance Made. Now the pair of New Balances I caught right here are a pair of New Balance 992s, and it's in a very, very light gray colorway. It says white on the KITH site, but in my opinion, it's like a super soft light gray. Now as of right now, I haven't really seen a lot of places having this gray pair, but when I've seen them online, they just look super clean, and I just wanted to try out something different going into the new year. I usually try to branch out and try different things when it comes to sneakers and even clothing, you know, some stuff that may be a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but when you do that, it kind of helps you really find what you like and introduces you to some new stuff, which is why I want to go ahead and try out this pair right here. Now I'm sure in the B-roll I'm going to have them laced up, so they're probably gonna look a little bit better, but again, I mean, New Balance, this shoe right here cost me, these were $174.99, so $175 for a pair of New Balances, and I feel like that's always been a thing with New Balance. They've always been kind of expensive, but I feel like the quality they put out, the craftsmanship, where they make their sneakers, I feel like they just do a good job, and I kind of just want to show some more love when I can. So again, I copped these brand new 992s, super clean, all over grayish white colorway, and I don't know if these are still available on KITH, but if they are, if I can find them, I will link them down below. Again, it's 2020. I just wanted to try something a little bit different. These definitely kind of have that dad vibe, so I guess at this point they're kind of right up my alley. So that was a second shoe pickup, the brand new New Balance Made 992, very clean, and I'm sure these are going to be super comfy. And with these out of the way, let me toss these and these in the bag. Alright, so next up we have another Nike SB box again. Salutes to the homie. He blessed me with this pair as well. I got both of them. This is once again the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. White, black, and orange flash. And yes, I was also able to secure the all-white pair of Ray Guns. Now, if you ask me personally, would I rather have the white pair of Ray Guns or the black pair of Ray Guns? I know that this white pair released exclusively at skate shops, but I definitely like the white pair. The white and tie-dye is clean, but if I just had to pick one, I'll probably go with the black and tie-dye pair. Either way, like I said, I just wanted my Ray Guns. I'm happy to have them. If I would have just gotten one pair of these, I've been happy. So to be blessed kind of with the oop for both pairs, y'all already know the deal. Y'all know I had to go ahead and grab them up. Again, entering 2020 very strong with the SBs. Both pair of Ray Guns, white tie-dye and black tie-dye. Now, let's go ahead and get into this box down here. Now inside of the all over red Astroworld crate, as you guys can see right here, we have a lot of the new stuff that I got from the Cactus Jack and Jordan brand kind of release of clothing, merch, whatever you want to call it, all that stuff I have in here. First things first, I have this Cactus Jack Nike Air snapback, and I'm assuming it's kind of like a sage green. Now this stuff was released around the same time as the Air Jordan 6. That's why you guys are going to see a lot of green, red, some yellow. It was all kind of related to the 6. You got the Nike Air embroidered on the side, and it is an unstructured 6-panel, yeah, an unstructured 6-panel snapback made in the USA apparently, and I mean, it's not much to say, it's just a dope hat, so I picked that up. Then the next thing we have is in this bag right here. As you guys see, I copped a few things off the site. I figured I'd rather buy it straight off the site than not buy it. Wish I bought it and didn't have to pay resale. Now, one thing I will say I have been hearing about this stuff is the quality. Now, again, I ordered mine on the 10th. I just got my stuff, or not the 10th, but the 10th of October, so 10/10/19. I just got my stuff on January 3rd. It said 4 to 6 weeks on the site. It took a little bit longer, but that's also because I marked my stuff to ship out all at once, not just one item at a time, just to save some cash. Now, these right here are the shorts, kind of like that sagey olive green, and I will say that these feel pretty thin. These are not like French terry cotton or nothing like that. It's kind of a thin pair of green shorts. Now, I'm pretty sure that this is supposed to glow in the dark, and just to confirm that, let's just do the peek test. Yes, it does. This does glow in the dark on the front. You got the yellow Jordan Jumpman Nike Air flipped upside down once again, and yeah, if I'm being honest, the quality it's definitely not the best on this pair of shorts. Now, the next thing we have here is a tee. This one is all over brown, I'm pretty sure, or black. Looks brown to me. Either brown or black. I actually really like this tee. Now, the front, you do have puff print with the Jordan logo and the Nike Air. You get Cactus Jack and Highest logos. Again, this one is a size XL. I haven't tried it on, but it looks pretty true to size. If anything, it's gonna fit a bit oversized or a bit wider. Again, as far as quality goes on this tee, it doesn't, I mean, it feels kind of like a Gildan tee, honestly. But that was one tee. Then next up, let's get to the next one. Let's keep it moving. We have the same t-shirt this time. This is the highest t-shirt. This is the green one. Cactus Jack logo, Nike Air, which is glow in the dark. Again, let me just... Okay, lights. Okay, thank you. I'm pretty sure this one glows as well. And then the back, again, it's the same thing. Cactus Jack with the highest on the back. And then we also got, what, 2 more pickups on the inside of here. I did go in a little bit, and we have this right here. Nike Air on the front, and then you have Cactus Jack and highest on the back. This red Jordan Jumpman is kind of like a little bit puffy off the back as far as the print goes. Got the glow in the dark ink at the back. And yeah, I will say that the hoodies, as far as quality goes with this collection, is definitely not the best. I mean, I can feel the hoodie. It is kind of thin, so if I'm keeping it all the way a buck, the quality is not the best on this stuff. So overall, I like the look, but I just feel like the quality could have been a little bit better on this stuff. And then last up, I have the yellow Nike Air hoodie as well right here. Now I have another yellow Astro hoodie, and this feels like it's slick. It probably is the same exact hoodie, or at least the manufacturer, and basically the same colors. This one is that all over mustard yellow, red Nike Air, and then you flip over to the back and you have the red and black again. And with this hoodie, that is it. Those are all the pickups. As y'all saw, we had 3 shoes, the SB Ray Guns, the 992s from New Balance, the Yeezy Alumni hoodie. Again, if you guys like this hoodie, I will link it down below from the homies over at Privé. And then I had tons and tons of this Cactus Jack Nike Air Jordan brand collab merch that came in just a few days ago. And also shouts out to the homie Jonathan, and I just realized I missed a pair of shorts to toss up there. So with all that out of the way, man, that is it. Make sure to drop a like on this bit. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. I do have some early stuff coming in hopefully by this weekend, so be looking out a vid around Saturday or Sunday for that. But listen, man, that is it. Much love to all the fan followers and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, stuff is falling, Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah blah. Of course, all my shoes are back there. So Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you guys next video. Y'all let me know, have y'all copped anything in the new year? Did you cop any of this when it dropped? Did you get it in? What do you think of the quality? Hey, leave a comment down below and let me know. But listen, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm out of here. Much love as always. New videos on the way. Peace.
Count on, never start. Yeah. Get it high with it, beat up, yeah. Get it high.